Hey there, Ryker owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com. Today we have our Touring Edition passenger backrest for the Can-Am Ryker and Ryker Rally. Now, if you've purchased our Touring Edition 2-up driver backrest and are currently running the BRP Max Mount with passenger seat, then you're going to want to check out our Touring Edition passenger backrest. This passenger backrest uses a dense foam pad that's identical to the pad used on the driver backrest so that it maintains a uniform look. The backrest pad measures in at 8 inches tall by 11.5 inches wide, with the top of the backrest measuring 11 inches off the passenger seat to provide your passenger with ample lower back support. Now, the installation could not be any easier since it comes pre-assembled and simply attaches to the underside of the BRP Max Mount with the 4 included screws. Now let me show you just how easy this really is. First, we're going to start by adding a little dab of removable thread lock to the 4 included screws. Then line up the 4 holes on the backrest with the 4 threaded holes under the Max Mount. Screw them in so that they're finger tight. And then tighten them down with a 10mm socket, making sure not to over tighten. So if passenger safety and comfort is on your mod list and you want to take your Ryker from this to this, then be sure to head on over to Slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a Touring Edition passenger backrest for your Ryker. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.